Hello friends, welcome back on the channel Free Tax. Today I am going to brief you on the various benefits, relaxation and relief measures announced by the GST Council in the meeting held on 12th June 2020. I was going through these reliefs. This relief is by and large relief given to the defaulters. Defaulters means non-filers of GST return. Now, the relief given by the Council is as follows. Firstly, for those who have not filed the GST return from July 2017 to January 2020, for those people who have not filed the return had to pay a late fee of ₹100 per day per return, subject to a maximum of 10,000 rupees. Now, in this meeting, the Council has reduced the late fee payable by a dealer is ₹100 per day, subject to a maximum of ₹500 per return. Thus, a return, if you want to file a return of July 2017 and the return to be filed now, you have to pay only 500 rupees as a late fee. Suppose if the return is a nil return, that means if the tax payable in that return is nil, then the late fee is totally waived. Earlier, same late fee you should have paid 10,000 rupees per return. Now the late fee is totally nil. This relief comes into effect from 1st July 2020 and it will be in force till 30th September 2020. That means if any delayed returns are to be filed now, you can file it after 1st July 2020 and you have to file it before 30th September 2020. So I appeal all the non-filers to take the benefit of this and file it without any late fee or with the late fee of ₹500 as the case may be. The next relief announced is to the small taxpayers. The small taxpayer means a dealer whose annual turnover is up to 5 crore rupees. For such dealers, GST returns for the month of February, March and April 2020, they can file up to the staggered due date of 6th July 2020. However, if they cannot file before 6th July 2020, the interest payable on GST payable is reduced from 18% to 9% per annum. That means if any taxpayer, that is small taxpayer, files a return after 6th July 2020, they have to pay a simple interest of 9% per annum along with their tax. And this reduction in interest rate is, you can avail the benefit up to 30th September 2020. So, a dealer can try to file the return within the due date. In case he cannot file, you can take the benefit after 6th July to 30th September 2020 with the reduced rate of interest, that is 9% per annum. Further, the return filing for the month of May, June and July, the Council has extended the due date for filing up to September 2020. The staggered due date is yet to be announced. Friends, you have gone through the benefit or relaxation announced by the GST Council. Please note this reduced interest or extension of due date for September 20, it's only for the small taxpayers. Small taxpayer means a dealer whose turnover is up to 5 crore. Council has not talked anything about the large taxpayer, that is the dealers whose turnover exceed 5 crore rupees per annum. Finally, if the registration of any dealer, the registration is cancelled up to the meeting day, that is 12th June 2020, you can opt for one-time revival of the registration. That means if your registration is cancelled, you can revive the registration for free and you can file the return, you can pay the tax. This benefit is available up to 30th September 2020. Thank you friends. Thank you for joining the video. Friends, if you find this video is beneficial, please like and share with your friends and subscribe the channel for the latest updates on the tax matters. Thank you very much.